Happy Monday, deal hunters. Join us this Monday in our kitchen as we make a banana cake using a microwave. Everything used in this video is available on our website, meaning you can shop online on deals.couponzetu.com, and when doing so, you get to earn cashback reward points and save 10% off everything. Together, let's put all the ingredients in our storage containers and be set for when we start mixing the dough. We have varieties of storage containers, from ceramic to hard Japanese plastic that is good for your food because it's BPA and PFOA free, and also acrylic storage containers from as low as 399 shillings. So now we are all set and ready to make a beautiful mess in our presumed kitchen. We shall also include the recipe details in the caption below in case you'd also like to make a microwave cake. Mid baking, acheni sasa niwaibie siri. These kitchen towels are indeed premium. Kwanza they are so thick. Alafu, yani ukikata inakatika how you want it. Plus, it is quite absorbent. Ukitumia, you're going to utatuambia. And trust me, once you start using them, hautatumia kitchen towel lingine. We'll be using this Japanese cooking sheet. It is quite thick and absorbent pia. And we'll put in the princess mug and also the Corningware mug from the UK. We have it in green and blue. This reduces kuosha kikombe and also reduces the chance of your cup getting dirty or greasy. And now it's time to put them in the microwave. By the way, our microwaves come with a 3-year warranty. In case you didn't know, now you know. We are going to put a 10-minute timer, and after 10 minutes, our cakes should be ready. Ten minutes later, and the cake is ready to be devoured. See how easy the cooking sheet makes the baking process? Our cake was a success. It was very fluffy, very soft, and quite yummy. Get all this again from our website deals.couponzetu.com. Shop online and save 10% of everything.